Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a Gmail account step by step. First, open any web browser on your device. Then, type gmail.com or google.com in the address bar and press enter. After the page loads, go to Gmail. Here, you will see options like sign in or create an account. Click on create an account. Next, choose for my personal use. Now, enter your basic information. Type your first name and last name. Then, enter your date of birth, including month, day, and year. After that, select your gender. Next, you need to choose a username. This will be your Gmail address. If your preferred username is not available, try a different one. Now, create a password and confirm it. Make sure your password is strong and easy to remember. Here, Google will ask you to verify your identity. Sometimes, instead of a phone number, you will see a QR code. Now, take your phone and open the camera app. Scan the QR code shown on the screen. After scanning, tap on the link that appears on your phone. Then, follow the instructions on your phone to complete the verification process. Once done, come back to your computer or browser to continue. Optional. You can add a recovery email address. This helps you recover your account if needed. Now review your information and click Next. Then you will see Google's privacy and terms. Scroll down and click on I agree. That's it. Your Gmail account has been successfully created. Now you can send emails, use Google services, and more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.